gorgeous. My name is Tara Lynn, and I am a cosmetologist and a licensed instructor. We are currently sitting in my home salon. This is pretty much headquarters. My salon is called TL Beauty Styles. What I do here, what I specialize in, individual eyelash extensions, volumes, things like that. What I'll be using this channel on YouTube would be to give some professional opinions on things going on in the beauty industry, give you guys some DIYs, how to do braids like these, how to deal with natural hair, how to deal with biracial hair. I will show you guys a few refills that I do with the eyelashes, a few full sets. It wouldn't be detailed, but it'll be just, you know, a good idea of what goes on in TL Beauty Styles. I will do product reviews on different products that I see floating across Facebook, and you guys can also send me recommendations for what you guys want to see me use. That would be really helpful, because I mean, I'm not 100% sure what everybody's preferences is for every product. And I will also be using these videos, I guess, to help push TL Beauty Styles forward into more mainstream, so to say. I am currently working out of my home salon, so eventually I want to be able to have a salon, you know, off of the interstate somewhere. But this is just another one of the another stream of income for me and my family to be able to live off of. Because currently, other than dealing with my salon here that I've put together, I am also pretty much a stay-at-home mom. I don't really work anywhere else other than here at TL Beauty Styles, and that's how I hopefully plan to keep it. I really hope that this channel shoots off. Tell me what you guys are interested in seeing. What do you guys want me to show you guys how to do? What DIYs, what product reviews? I'll try to, considering I'm a cosmetology instructor, I'll try to give you guys a few lessons every here and there on different styles of hair, different styles of lashes, makeup, whatever I can help the public with, I will. That is pretty much the whole basis or reason as to why me and my husband were interested in getting a channel together. So my next videos will definitely be more action-packed, a little more stuff going on, so to say. Well, if you guys can subscribe or like this video, that'd be cool. Hopefully I could get a new camera and get off this laptop. But until then, this is Tara Lynn at TL Beauty Styles, and I am excited to get this channel going, and I am excited to see what recommendations you guys have for me and this channel. Alright, y'all have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time.